lupus or any other disease you're facing, it's a condition, it's an inconvenience, it's a problem to solve, but it is not who you are. All right, good to see you. All right, bye. So I just got off the line with someone who has been struggling her whole life with lupus. In fact, she diagnosed herself with lupus after years of being sick because she went into medical training herself and she realized what her symptoms were before her doctors ever figured it out. And having been sick since childhood, being sick has become part of her identity. And it's a hard thing to shake when disease becomes your identity. You know, a lot of times people will happily come up to meet me or send me messages saying, I'm a loopy, or, they're all wearing purple in the crowd to let me know. And I think it's great that people have come together to give each other support. However, I do not suggest you call yourself by your disease. Don't call yourself a loopy. Don't call yourself a diabetic. Don't call yourself a patient, because that is a very hard identity to shake off. And people don't usually shed their identity. So one of the things that I worked with her on before we even got to her nutrition plan was that lupus or any other disease you're facing, it's a condition, it's an inconvenience, it's a problem to solve, but it is not who you are. And you have to release that identity. You are not a patient. You are a person, a complicated person with many gifts and a problem, right? Problems we can solve, identities, they stay with us. So that is really, really important. And then we were able to move into really what she needs to do to make her nutrition better so that we can get the lupus under control and get the kidneys better too. And the cool thing is, just by giving up meat and adding more healing foods to her diet, her kidney function has gone up dramatically. I mean, her protein loss in the 24-hour protein, it's down to a quarter of what it was 2 months ago, just by getting rid of meat and adding some more healthy foods like vegetables and omega-3s and water. So she's on her way, not there 100%. We're going to tweak it and work on it. But if that's you, if you're one of those people that you find that being a patient has just become part of how you see yourself, how you think about yourself, you've got to let that go. You will not become a healthy person as long as you think of yourself as a sick person. You are many things, many beautiful things. Your illness is your problem, not your identity. I hope that helps. I can't wait to see how she does from here.